In this tutorial, we will show how to pull the usage limit report in vAlert. This report will assist a vAlert manager to monitor the credit usage for various tools such as address details, business search, business leads, and property leads. In vAlert, as a manager user, navigate to the menu on the top left, followed by Dashboard. Next, click on Reports from the top menu. Here, select a start and end date for the report. We will select the beginning of the month up till today. Under Report, choose Usage Limit Report from the drop-down menu. Then click on HTML to view the report on the screen. If you would like to download a PDF version that you can share, click on PDF. In the main window, you will see a summary under Usage Limits across all tools. Currently, we are viewing Address Details Search and Business Lead. We see total usage, essentially calls to retrieve the data, monthly usage threshold, how many monthly calls are included in your license agreement, percent usage, percent of the monthly quota that has been used to date in the current month, notification triggers in percent, which signifies the percentages at which the designated individuals in your organization will be notified by email of usage of this feature to date, and report recipients, which lists the users that will receive such reports. In the next section of the report, we see the usage for the business search and address details tools delineated by users. We also see address details with and without establishment info. Establishment info signifies the retrieving of further details for a business. In this table, we can see number of searches, number of results, and average number of searches per day per user. Next up is the usage for lead tools, again separated by user. Here, we can see usage details for business leads or property leads. For property leads, the column is advanced lead signifies the retrieval of further details on a property, such as owner information. Property type can be blank or residential or commercial. If specified, it indicates the filter that was applied to a property lead request. Finally, the From UI column signifies whether a user interactively is performing a lead search in vAlert, or whether an automated report that is sent to the user has been constructed from performing one or more lead searches. This concludes the training on showing how to generate the usage limit report in vAlert.